face. Let's don't let a good thing die. 'Cause honey, you know I'll never lie to you. Oh, much. Yeah, we're gonna try. I can't walk out because I love you too much, baby. Why can't you see what you're doing to me? When you don't believe on what I'm saying, story. Oh, don't you know I'm caught in a trap? I can't walk out because I love you too much. I'm caught in a trap. I hope this suit won't tell. Oh, don't you know I'm caught in a trap? Can't get up. Yes. Oh, don't you know I'm oh, don't you know what?
Walk out. 'Cause I love you too much, baby.
All right, enough. Then I'd like to take this opportunity to introduce the members of the band. Without these guys, I won't be as fantastic as I am. That's the band. And the girls, am I right? The lovely Chelsea Flame. Next to the gorgeous Billy Joe Favell. On keyboard, Mr. John Jones. On drums, Mr. Neil Bullock. Lead guitar, Mr. Steve Gray. Last but not least, the guy that got a low singing on bass, Mr. Simon Parrish.
And there's one more, ladies and gentlemen. Our gentleman, we couldn't really do this without. Give it up for a big man with a big job, Mr. Murray!